just great. I got like a 50% on this.
Oh, really?
I mean, I got like half of them right, so I can share the right ones, but
Okay. I actually didn't finish it all the way. Someone called me
okay.
right after I started working on it again. But and it's been really fun because I started it and then what happened? It like closed everything and then it didn't save any of the answers, so I had to do it again. And then I tried to turn it in and then it had, or not turn it in, I tried to save it so it didn't do the same thing, and then it had an error and it did the same thing where it erased everything. So I'm really annoyed with this quiz.
That's fair. This is such a long quiz too. Like I was not expecting that. I gave myself an hour before I opened it, and I was like, oh shoot, this is not gonna happen in an hour.
Yeah.
So
And
I
it's
don't
hard
know.
because there's a bunch of stuff from the beginning of the semester that I just like completely forgot.
Yeah,
Go
same.
back and like look at stuff. So I was like, I don't know.
Exactly. How I feel too. How do you want to go through all of them in order, or do you want me to just give you the ones that I have?
Either one is fine.
Okay.
Ah.
I just have them written down, the ones that I do have. But I got the first, like 2 and 3, I got those ones wrong. I don't even know. I don't understand how, because I thought I knew things, but.
Okay, what did you mark for those?
And I don't even know. I didn't write down what I marked. I think I did, let's see, of people and randomly select a classroom and then the 3 most common brands. But I think it might just be the number of people.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so then. And then I think for this third one, I did the second one, the observational study, because they had no control over the price. No. I did the first one because they had no control over which cereals were selected.
Oh, okay.
Second one.
I picked the second one.
Okay, that's probably right.
Okay.
I did get right. I got the third one.
For which one?
The fourth question, I got number 3.
Oh, okay.
And 5, I got 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah. 6, I got 100.
That was the Oh, okay. Do you have to like give the percentage? Okay, now it's confusing me. I didn't read it very clearly the first time.
You do the percentage instead of the decimal point percentage. So if it's 2.5%, you do 2.5 instead of 0.025.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I was thinking of 95% instead of what the percentage is under it. Okay. That makes sense.
And then for 6, it's 146.7. 7 is skewed right.
Okay.
8 is 2.236.
All right, I got that.
Good. 9 is 0.991.
0.991.
Yeah. 10 is the fourth.
Sorry.
That's a good question. No, you're fine. I don't know. I just wrote down, like when I take the test once, I just write down all the right answers on a piece of paper. So I have to like actually think about how I did that.
Okay.
I did, because it's like a z-score. So it would be x minus the mean over the standard deviation divided by the sample. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So x was X was 8,540 minus the mean, which is 8,544 over 12 is the standard deviation divided by the square root of 50.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
I think that's what I did, and somehow I got, and then you put it in the applet thing,
Mm-hmm.
and then it was 99.1%.
Okay. So for
Okay.
I think
I don't know. I mean,
might have done it wrong on the applet. Do you shade the middle and then the right? Do you remember?
probably middle and right. I would guess that's right.
Okay. I think I probably just did the right because I got something different.
Yeah, it's probably middle and then right.
Okay.
Because it's greater than, yeah, it was middle and then right. And then for 10, I actually got 10 wrong, but I'm pretty darn sure I know what I did wrong. So I think it's just 4.
Okay. That's what I got for that one.
That's good. I got the first one the first time because I wasn't paying attention, but
Oh yeah, because I think the first one is the p value, right?
yeah, something like that, yeah.
Okay.
11 is the second one. Nope, it's not the second one. It's different. Let's see. It's the third one at least. I think there's, yeah, so it's the third one plus one more because I got 0.8 out of 1. So there's another one that we're supposed to select. I just don't know which one.
Okay. This is the one that every single time I get this one wrong.
I get this one wrong too every freaking time. I knew the third one was right, but I knew I was gonna get the other one wrong, so I just didn't even.
Okay. Really fun. Okay. I don't even know.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's 0.8 out of 1. Like, it's not that big of a deal, but
Yeah. I'll come back and look at that one.
12 is the second one. Teen is 0.019.
Okay.
14 is the second one.
Okay.
I didn't get 15 right, so.
Oh, okay.
So. Did you do 15 already? Have you gotten there?
Yes. I'll have to check actually because I don't trust this answer. It's 0.096. But I put that in after the test deleted and then I like vaguely remembered it being like 0.096, but I'll have to check and make sure that's right.
Okay. This is just one of the difference one, right? So you just, it's copying and pasting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me just see if these spreadsheets, that makes a world of difference.
Mm-hmm.
Using them, but so that would mean it's like the paired one, right? Because we're looking at the differences.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then I got 0.096 too.
Okay.
Put in.
Good.
Hope that one's right. That's fine. 16, I got the first one.
Okay, same.
That was right. I didn't get 17 right.
Okay. I picked the fourth one. I don't know if that's right though.
My roommates are playing catchphrase without me.
Aw.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, probably. I think I might have put the second one. So we know that it's not.
Okay.
We know that they're not normal. There's got it like they're not. So it's probably the fourth one. You're right.
Yeah.
Third.
I think this one confuses me. Like the sample size isn't 30, so it's not big enough, but it says they created a QQ plot and they roughly formed a straight line. So I don't know if that makes it normal. I'll have to check. I keep second guessing myself.
I mean, if we finish this in time, maybe you could submit it and see, because you have hands left still, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And then you can let me know.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Let's see. Okay, the 18 was the third one. I think I had put first one, but the first one is wrong.
Oh. Okay.
It'll be the third one.
Yet another thing I have to review.
I know, right? 19, I got the second one.
Okay.
My phone, my computer just beeped and did something weird. 20 is 50.
50. Okay, can you, I don't remember how to do this one.
It's just, let's see. My little notes. It's like P times N has to be greater than 10, greater than or equal to 10, and then N times 1 minus P also has to be greater than or equal to 10. So you just do both of them for P, and whichever one comes out higher is the answer. Does that make any sense at all?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. I was trying to find my notes on that, and then I couldn't.
21 I have is 4, but I don't think that's right. It must have switched up or something. Let's see.
Okay.
I mean, I think I got that one wrong, actually, and I think I had said that it was the first one.
Oh, okay. So for this one, which one is P?
I think P would be 0.25 over 40.
Okay.
Which would be very low. It's 0.00625. Yeah, 40 times 0.25. Yeah, so I think it's the second one. Probably.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then 22, I think, is the 4 that I thought was the one before that. Okay. And then 23 must be 0.099.
Okay.
I got 24 wrong. And 25 wrong too, I think.
Okay. Do you know which one you put for 24?
I think I put, let's see. I think I put 0.091. Actually, I don't know why that would be wrong though.
Because this one I thought would be like the most obvious one.
Yeah, isn't it 0.091?
I thought so. That's what I put.
That's what I thought too. I don't know. Let's see. I guess it could be 0.909.
Possibly.
Wait. You're testing to see which ones are not. Oh. I think it's the third one. Because the area to the right would be 0.091, but you're trying to see what's not 0.62. So you're doing the outside, you're selecting the outside ones, not just the right.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Okay. Okay, and then 25. Is the first one.
Okay.
26 is the fourth one. Um, 27, I did not get that one right. And I think I had done the third one, maybe?
I guess these ones are confusing me because I never really paid attention to the little letter.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know.
I bet it's the third one. Or maybe the second one, actually. There was a difference. Yeah, so it's the second one. Because the mean D is the difference. And we're wondering, the null is that it's 0. So you're trying to see if it's not 0. If the difference is 0, yeah.
That makes sense.
It is the second one. That one was something about, I had to look it up. It was like you're comparing the X with the predicted amount. So that was the only one that had anything about prediction.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. These are, I don't think I got to any of these ones.
Huh? Third one. 30 is all picked, and because I couldn't, that was wrong. All of them aren't right. Just a couple of them, or a few of them. I don't even know. I know the observations are independent. That one's right. And then the linear relationships. And then I'm pretty sure the last one too.
Oh, okay.
The right answer, just the last 3.
Yeah, I think so.
And then 31 through 42, I got wrong. So.
Oh, geez. Okay.
I think I must have just like copied and pasted it wrong because you just write down the answers, right? Like it's pretty foolproof.
Yeah.
I must have just put it into the wrong one, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's supposed to be, it's with the linear one because the sample correlation coefficient is the R.
Okay.
But I don't know, wanted to predict the price of 14 days before. Let's see.
I'll try to plug it in real quick.
So you're predicting the 14 days before, which would mean that one's the Y, right? Finding it using 9 days. Okay. I have to leave at like 1:45. I have work at 2. But we can definitely, I get home at 5. I don't know. You said you couldn't meet after 7, is that right?
Yeah, well, I have a choir concert and I have to be there at like 5, and then I probably won't be home until like 9 or 9:30.
Wait, sorry, it's at 5? It starts at 5?
Yeah, we have to be there at 5.
Okay. If nothing else, I can give you the rest of the answers really fast, and then maybe when you're done, you can send me what you got. I just won't finish mine out if we don't finish it in time.
Yeah, that's fine.
I wanted to predict, so my brain just can't concept. Okay. Coefficient. It's 0.853, but if I got it wrong before, which I'm pretty sure that's the answer that I gave before.
These ones confuse me so much.
Yeah, I don't. Oh.
So the sample correlation coefficient,
Which is the R. That's the answer that I gave last time and I got it wrong.
Okay, so when you plug them in, which one do you put in the response?
The 14 days one from what the
Okay.
What do you call it? I'm gonna there's empty spaces. I'm just zeroing them out so that they're
Oh yeah.
You know what? Did wrong.
What's that?
I think I had more than in the template like before I was using. I just didn't clear it out all the way, so there's stuff very bottom that isn't supposed to be there.
Oh, that would help.
Yeah, so that's giving me all.
So I got, what did you get at first? Because I got 0.780.
I got 0.83. Point. And I'll check again. I'm trying to delete this all out. I got 0.853.
0.853. Okay, I don't know why I have a different answer then. That's weird.
Well, no. You shouldn't have that answer. That was the answer that I had.
Oh, okay. Got you. I thought you meant right now you got it. I was like, well,
yeah, that should fix everything. Now that the numbers aren't there. So 0.78, is that what you said?
Yeah.
And that's what I have now. And like linear looking before, I was like, this doesn't make any sense. It's still not very linear, but I put nonlinear last time and that was wrong. Only linear.
Oh, okay. Do you have
I would say positive association because it's going up, right? I actually don't know.
You know, I just love math. I mean, I think it's positive association.
Yeah.
They're going up.
Yeah. I'm just trying to like a strong positive. I don't know. I just don't understand that at all, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it is because it's the only, yeah, it must be positive.
I hope so, because that doesn't make sense to me.
The y-intercept is negative 17.087. That what you got too?
What did you get?
Negative 17.087.
Where? Okay. I'm thinking everything too much. Where am I supposed to find the y-intercept?
You're on the linear regression spreadsheet, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's
under unstandardized, right?
Let's see. Standardized, and then it's under B. And then it's B0. It's the y-intercept B thing.
Okay. Because for that, I don't know if I put something in wrong. I have 115 point something.
Let's try. Did you zero out your the ones that didn't have pairs?
No. Let's see if that changes.
There though, so I'm right. Are the same as mine?
The R was 0.780.
Shoot, why do we have different answers? Is your is the first number in your X column, is it 202.09?
No, it's 234.19.
That's probably the problem. I think you have to, oh, maybe I have to switch them.
Okay.
The X should be
let me look at the
X should be 234.19. Is that what you have?
For the first column, yeah.
Okay, so then you're in. Let me just switch my. Man, what a freaking.
I feel like I'm doing this completely wrong. I do not understand this. Okay.
Now what is your Y? You said 115.640?
Yeah.
That sounds right. Let's go with that one.
Okay.
Slope would be 0.627.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yikes, predict the price. So we're saying that X is $200, I think. Y would be 240.979.
Mhm.
Is that right?
That's what I got, so I hope it's right.
Well, that's good. That's good. And then we have we're predicting the slope confidence interval of 0.518
Mhm.
and 0.735.
Mhm. That's what I got too.
And then for the margin of error, what I've been doing is I add those two together. We're in the lower bound. And then I divide them by 2. Is that what you do? I don't even know. I usually get the right answer, so.
I usually, I don't know. That's completely different than what I do. I usually do the upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2.
Well, that makes sense. I mean, mine just takes more work, but that definitely sounds right.
And I got 0.1085, so 0.1089, or 0.109.
Okay. Let's see. I don't know how I got this one. This one shouldn't have been wrong.
What did you get?
I think I put the second one. So it must be the first one, I guess. Conduct a hypothesis. No, it should be the second one.
Regression line.
Because we're looking at the slope, it's not the y. I would do the second one. I don't.
That slope up there.
You're
Can I borrow your bathroom?
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
you guys
good.
are totally fine to do it in here too if you want. But camera's not on or anything. I'm just doing
okay.
it. But
The
you're
camera!
welcome.
It's gonna picture her.
Dress they have to try on. Okay, so for the test statistic, I have 11.509.
What was that? 11.509.
509.
Okay.
And then the p-value, I have 5.032. But then it's got that big fat thing at the end of it, so I don't even know. Okay, 42. You failed to reject the null. I know that's true because the p-value is super freaking high. But
yeah.
Something has to be wrong then, right? Like the p-value shouldn't be that high. Is that what your p-value says?
Yeah. I'm trying to. How did you get the p-value?
Because we're still doing it for the slope. So you're just line of the slope bar. Do you see that?
No, actually.
Like on your linear regression thing.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's the p-value.
Mhm.
What does yours say?
Mine says something different. Let me make sure that I didn't mess something up real quick.
Wrong. What does yours say?
It looks like shiz. What do you think?
It's so cute.
So bad.
It's
I
not
like
bad.
I like the other dress better, but this one's actually not bad. And the only alteration it would need is one pin in the back.
Oh,
it's
and
a little
you'd be
loose
fine.
up there. That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Actually, I would put on a bra again. Because I know there's a built-in bra, but that might help you out a little bit that way.
Yeah, you need to fill out a little bit more.
Yeah, that's true. My boobs are like a little low. I would need a bra to like push it up. Yep. All right.
That's
I
way
wear a
cute.
sports bra though, so I don't have a bra.
Fun. Okay. Last time I put that, I think I put the second one.
Okay. So for 40, the test statistic, mine says 11.510.
510.
Mm-hmm. And then for the p-value, it says 4.246 E. I don't know what that's supposed to say, but negative 19. So I think that means that there's 19 zeros before the 4246, right?
Oh, so you just put 0, right?
Yeah, so it'd just be 0.000.
Okay.
And then you would reject the null, and then there's sufficient evidence to suggest that the alternative is true.
Right. Okay, so the rest I did get right. 43 is the second one.
Okay.
And then 44 is the first one.
Okay.
45 is the test of one proportion.
Okay.
And 46 is test of two proportions.
Okay.
And then the last one is linear regression. And then if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to submit it and then let me know what you get.
Yeah, let
what you
me
got wrong.
submit it real quick. Let me make sure that I answered everything. Okay.
I like the upper portion.
Watch me get like a 20% on this.
I had at least 50%. Well, should be higher.
I feel like I just entered everything wrong. Okay. Not bad. I got an 88 on it.
Will you, let's see. Will you tell me what you got? Can I read off some of... What did you get for... can I just tell you the ones that I got wrong before, and then you can tell me if you got them right? Wrong. What'd you get for that one?
Which one?
2. Second question.
It was the last one, just the number of people in a randomly selected.
Okay. And then 3.
An observational study because the students had no control of the price.
Perfect. Next one I got wrong was 15. Actually, I got 11 wrong, but I think we both got 11 wrong. Still.
Yeah.
One where we just the third one. Yeah, that doesn't matter. The 15, number 15, I got that one wrong.
Okay. Here, 1 second. I got 10 wrong. I think I just chose. Did you get 10 wrong the first time?
Yeah.
I got that wrong this time too. It must be one of the type 1 or type 2 errors.
Okay, good to know, good to know.
So 12. No, you said 15, right?
So bad. I'm gonna take it off and you guys should smell. This doesn't smell, but this smells. It's right here.
It's 0.096.
Fish. Anyways, but I'm glad. That's good. We got something.
Okay.
We got something.
Perfect. Yeah. 17.
I got that one wrong.
Oh, great. Okay.
I don't know what that means then. Okay.
Okay. The third one.
Is it the third one?
I think so, because I tried, and we know it's not the first one because there's not enough samples.
Oh yeah, that's probably true.
Third. Okay. And then 23, I got that one wrong.
Okay. I got 0.099.
24.
0.182.
Okay. Did we get 25 right? Yeah?
No.
No? What did you have for 25?
I put the first one.
Okay, so it's got to be the fourth one then.
Yeah, that one says.
And then 26?
26
right?
is the fourth one, yeah.
Okay, that's good. What about 27?
The second one.
Okay. And then 30. Right?
I got 0.6.
Okay, and you got the last three, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know.
I guess that, I don't know. I don't understand that one.
I'm just gonna pick the first one as well with it, and I legit, I have no idea.
Yeah, I'll try to look at my book, but
That's fine. If I get an 80 on this, like how you did, then I'm fine with that. And we'll probably get even better just because we just went over like a couple of those.
yeah.
What do you call it? By error. Okay, 31. Did you get 0.78 right?
Yeah.
The second one.
Yeah.
And those were correct.
And then 33 was 115.640.
Okay.
And then 34 was 0.627.
And these are all right?
Yeah.
Heat. Okay.
And
35.
35 was 240.979.
Okay.
And then 36 was 0.518. 37 was 0.735. And then 38 was 0.109.
Okay.
And then I got 39 wrong.
Okay, so it's not. I don't know how that's not true. So it must be the first one, right?
I picked the first one.
You did pick the first one?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was the second. I had the second one picked.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Then it's probably that one.
Was 40 right? 11.510.
Yes. And then 41 was 0.
Perfect.
And then 42 was the third one.
Perfect.
And then
40.
All right.
Right? Okay, perfect. Were there any in there that we should just, I have a few minutes. We could figure out the type 1 or type 2, that one.
Yeah. What did you get 21 right? Did I ask you about that one?
21, I got the fourth one, and that one was right. I think.
Oh.
Did you get it wrong?
Yeah. I picked the second one. Oh yeah, because I think I just picked the wrong. Okay.
And then where was the type 1? Oh, shoot.
That was number 10.
You picked the second one and that one was wrong?
Yeah. No, I picked the fourth one. The probability
that
of
was wrong.
rejecting H. Yeah.
Wait, I'm so confused. For 21, you got the what?
Oh, sorry. No. For 10, I got the fourth one. For 21, I put the second one.
And that was wrong?
48 times 0.250 is greater or equal to.
And you got that one wrong?
Yeah.
Well, shoo. Why? Okay, well, I don't know. Okay, I think it's the fourth one. Okay, and then you just have to figure out what the type 1 error. I know it's like the chances that null without it supposed to with when you're not supposed to.
Oh, yeah. Here, I'm looking it up real quick and see if I can find it.
Yeah. Good. Okay, let's see. A type 1 error is when you reject the null, but it's true. Type 2 error is when you fail to reject null. It's true.
Wait, but the question is about the significance level. The significance level of a hypothesis test.
Yeah, because when the p is low, you reject the null. When it's lower than the significance level. So maybe the type 1. I think it's the first one, the type 1.
You picked the first one the first time, right?
Yeah, so it's not the first or the fourth. I think it's the second one.
Okay. I'll try that.
Maybe. Who knows? We don't know, but
Seriously.
we can hope. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna submit mine.
Okay.
And I'll let you down. Weird about this exam then if I didn't do well on this.
I know.
Exam is worth more than all the other exams because it's cumulative, which I hate because I don't. Oh my gosh! Oh no!
What?
It said that there was a problem, but I have to leave in 5 minutes. Shoot. Okay. It's fine. If I'm a little bit late, they can deal with it. And I didn't save my answers.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine.
I swear if it tells me that I can't take this again, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, wait, no, it worked. I got a 94 on it. Okay, hold on. It was just weird about it, but let me let you know which ones were wrong. I bet it's just like those two little ones that we didn't care about, honestly.
Probably.
Too bad we can't take the test together. That would help.
I know. Seriously.
Okay, so yeah, it was 11. We got that one wrong. But just like 0.2, like we just missed one of them.
Oh, okay.
No biggie.
Did you get?
Oh, okay. And then 5 we got wrong. Oh, but no. I think the wrong one in. I think it's supposed to be the 4th one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll try that one.
I put the 1st one in, but I think it's the 4th one. And then it's not the 1st one. I would take out, so just do the last 3 again because I got a worse answer this time.
Oh, okay. Did you get 39 right?
No, I got that one wrong.
Okay.
So maybe the 4th one? I have no idea, honestly. I don't know.
Seriously. Okay.
I would guess.
Did you get 10 right?
I think so.
No.
Type 1 error.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And then, did you get 17 right?
Yes, and that was the 3rd one.
The 3rd one? Okay.
Yeah.
And then, did you get 21 right? That was the 4th one, right?
Yes. I did
Okay.
get that one right.
Okay. I think those are all of the ones I got wrong. Okay.
Okay. See how much better you did.
Hopefully a lot better. Just kidding. I didn't do terrible, but now I just need that I super need to review.
Yeah, same.
But that's future me's problem.
Exactly.
Okay, so I'll try to submit this real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the broadcast thing so that I can submit it, but we can keep talking. It's just gonna stop the whatever.
Okay.